Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with ClickFunnels affiliate account portal detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the ClickFunnels affiliate account portal, you need to start by navigating to the ClickFunnels website. Once there, locate the login area on the home page. Enter your email address associated with your ClickFunnels account in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. After filling in your login credentials, click on the Login button. If you are logging in for the first time, you may need to verify your identity. Check your email for a verification link sent by ClickFunnels. Click on that link to confirm your identity. Once your account is verified, return to the ClickFunnels login page. Enter your credentials again and click on the Login button. After logging in, find the affiliate dashboard in the main menu. Once in the dashboard, review your account settings to ensure everything is correct. You may want to link your payment details for receiving commissions. Navigate to the Payment Settings section within the dashboard. Input your payment information thoroughly and accurately. Make sure to save any changes to your payment settings. Now, explore the available resources and tools for affiliates. Familiarize yourself with the affiliate links and promotional materials provided. Test one of your affiliate links to ensure it directs correctly. If you encounter any issues, consult the ClickFunnels support resources. That concludes the authentication process for your ClickFunnels affiliate account portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.